might hurt yourself. Okay. That one ain't gonna match up.
Dang.
It is a fish though.
Kind of weird. This one feels a little bigger.
Yeah, that's, just don't let it scratch on the boat. Just
Trying. God.
That's nice.
Jesus, Joel. Yeah, you scared him.
Jeepers, Jen.
Yeah, that's a keeper.
Yeah.
All right. I have to take a picture of that one, Joel.
Yeah, we'll get her ready to take a shot.
Okay. I told Madison I'm gonna be the one.
Oh shit.
That's
Sorry.
one of your overs, Jen.
Huh?
That's one of your overs. You got one too, Ruby?
No, I just. Or yeah, I do.
Hold on.
Hold on first. Maybe get a double.
Yeah. Nice.
Yeah, probably.
Hang on, I'm marking the spot. Here, I got it.
You got?
Yeah, bring it this way.
Which way? This way? Sorry, I wasn't thinking. There you go. Holy shit.
Yeah.
Holy crap.
Yeah.
There's
Oi. Yeah, that's a 15-incher.
Whoa.
Those are your two overs.
Holy jeez. Jen,
I am.
I really want a picture. Yeah.
Yeah.
Let's stay together. I'll get a couple good shots.
All right. Yeah, it feels back teeth. All right, dude. Oh, geez, sorry.
Bone holes. Jen, turn yours a little like this.
Gonna do an overnighter tonight. We already caught some fish, got some walleyes and live well. Gonna cook those up tonight and do some catfishing and just try to, I don't know, try to find a pike or two and just have some fun and just relax on the river. So we'll pick back up with you when the action starts.
What was that crazy thing here?
Got him in, huh? Good. Jeez. Wow. Hold on. Nice start. Brandon's on the board here.
Sugar.
Yeah, he's just a pike.
How are you gonna manage this one? Are you gonna do like just a rip, let her rip one, just rip it in?
Let's see. I only got 4-pound line, but you know he's. I know you got her in there good, didn't you? There you go. Away he goes. Oh, what's he got on him? Whoa! Come back next time. They get bigger.
Something like that.
Well, we did have a couple get off though.
Hang on. You want a net for that one? You can manhandle.
I'll man him up.
I can give you a boat, yeah.
No, that should be all right.
What that?
No, he's just a little guy. Just gotta make sure I get the leader first, and then.
Sorry, brother. How about this shot, Ruby? You hold him up.
Oh God. Oh, he's got her pretty good. Yeah, probably gonna have to do the boga. Right out. There you go.
Good, Brandon.
Jive.
All right. Hey.
Okay.
Perfect.
All right.
Irving's on the board again. He's the master of the pike today.
Okay, here we go. And a 1 and a 2 and a 3. I think I caught his daddy. There's Brandon. Here's a smallmouth. We got all the fish cleaned up. Joel's over there catching fish. And I should probably take this out. We're gonna be frying some fish up shortly. Yes, and hopefully that we're gonna have some good fishing right out here on the good old Mississippi. See you later, buddy.
Coals.
All right, here we go. Got some fresh Mississippi walleye from earlier today. We had a blast catching them, and it was just so fun. And now we're going to enjoy some really crispy fish nuggets here on the sandbar. And look at it, it's even curling. There we go. Little Mississippi walleye here. Nice and crunchy. Going down the hatch. These are all looking so good.
That's like a 5-star restaurant meal, really.
It's right there.
Look at it.
So good. So good. Walleye, homemade cornbread, some really good grapes, and some tater salad. Got him?
Oh, just in time.
That's a stoat. All right, little Mississippi, is that a wall? It is a walleye, isn't it? Good God. A little Mississippi walleye here, Brandon. Brandon's on the board.
Yes, sir. Finally caught something longer than 4 inches.
All right, thank you. Little guy. Bring him in, y'all. He's keeper.
Huh?
He's keeper, right?
I don't know, measure. He's close. Right here. Definitely close. You know what the fish is?
Maybe it's a white bass.
Smell like fish. When you hook that. Like, there's something about that little area. Must be a little cut or something.
Oh, Dan, not sure yet. He's staying down. I'm trying. He's just strong. Sweet. Thanks, bud. Oh, it's crazy how they flail out like that. It's like they do more on the river. Okay. Yeah. Well, another nice nice walleye, nice river walleye here. Love it. My party. I'll cry if I want to. And I'll catch a walleye if I want to. That's even better, right? Pig. Holy crap. A giant. Oh my lord. Oh, wow.
Maybe we should be a return, I think.
Yeah, I think so. We'll get some pictures. Wow. That's a good way to end a fishing trip right there. Good job, Prowley. It's a little big.
That's what I
Cool.